guys, Tasha Delay. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been many days. I haven't uploaded any videos. Yes, and I've been getting many a message that when are you going to post next video? We're waiting for you. Like that. Oh, sorry. I was just playing some relaxing sounds here. So yes, I was caught up with so many works, assignments. I have to attend events and all of these things. So I honestly didn't think that I would be so much caught up with these things that I will not able to make videos. But yeah, it is what it is now. So in this video, I'm going to talk about know myself video. Yeah, like this because I've seen many Tibetan YouTubers doing that, like get to know me. Yeah, get to know me, the correct words. So I have written some few questions that I'm going to answer it, and I'm also planning to answer about the application process, especially studying abroad in United States. I've told like many of you that I'll be making a separate video for that, but then I was not able to make. So yeah, I've also asked a few questions in. I also told my friends or like in Instagram that to ask me any question that I would answer in my YouTube channel. And you know, I received a couple of questions. Some of them are good, but some of them are very private that I chose not to answer. I'm sorry for that. Yes. Yeah, we can now go. We'll just start like get to know me first. What is your full name? My full name is Tenzin Yarpel. So if you don't know, Tenzin is you can find like a number of Tibetan people names starting from Tenzin, because Tenzin is the first name of Dalai Lama, our spiritual leader. So any Tibetan who derive his name from His Holiness Dalai Lama, he has a starting name Tenzin. So my name Tenzin Yarpel is also derived from, also seek from the His Holiness for the Dalai Lama. So that's the reason I have the name Tenzin. Tenzin is basically is like the holder of Buddha's teaching, Buddha Dharma. Yeah. So the second question is where I'm actually from. So I'm from. Now that's a tricky one because that's quite a lot of like complex one because I was born in India and raised in India as well. But I'm originally from Tibet. So in India, I was born in the northern part of India, a place near Dharamsala. People might know the name Dharamsala, but not know Chandra. So I would rather say Dharamsala. It's near Dharamsala. It's called Chandra. This is where I was born and where I did my schooling from. But my actual Tibetan settlement belongs to Ponda Sahib, which is also in Himachal Pradesh, but is near Dehradun. Yeah. So the third question is where have you done your school? Yeah. So also my schooling journey is also it's not like a simple one because I have changed a lot of school. I've first been to Samboda Tibetan school Chandra, which is my dad's where my dad works. So I did my kindergarten to till class 4 there, and then my dad decided to send me to TCV Suja during my 5th grade. So I did my 5th grade in TCV Suja, but unfortunately I was not able to complete the school. So because I got contracted to one of the diseases that I won't say, so I shifted my school to TCB Chandra, and I done my 7th grade to till class 10 in TCB School Chandra, and then my high school in Upper TCB School. and this is just a brief journey of my school. How old are you? The third question is, I am currently 20 years old. Yes, my birthday is coming up. What are you? What is your favorite food? So I don't really have a favorite food, but I like pak tuk. Pak tuk is a Tibetan dish. It's made up of wheat, meat, and water. Yeah, I like this food so much. Especially if it's made by my mom. I like this food. Yeah, I love this food. So are you a coffee person or a tea person? Honestly, I don't drink both of them much, but if I have to choose one, then I would say I would go for coffee. Yes. Not the black coffee, but milk in it and little sweet. So the next question is, are you an early bird or night owl? I am early bird. I usually wake up early. I like sleeping, but then I like morning, because if I wake up early, I feel like, oh, there's a lot of things to do, and it just makes my day longer, which I like. Yeah, I'm a early bird. Who's your favorite Tibetan singer? I usually love Tibetan music. So my favorite Tibetan singer is Rita. I'm a huge fan of him. I like his song. I love listening to his song. Whenever I travel, whenever I go attend my class, on the way I used to listen to his song all the time. Even if I'm heading to a dining, I would listen to his song with earphone on. So yeah, so that I would not talk to other person. Yeah. So Rita is my favorite Tibetan singer. Favorite Tibetan vlogger. Oh, that's a hard one. I personally love watching Tibetan YouTube videos. If you're my friends knows that many of my friends and the acquaintances know that I love watching Tibetan YouTube. I love what is happening in Tibetan community, what is going on. So I think like there's no, maybe there are few that I don't know, but like majority of Tibetan YouTubers I know them. Yeah. So if I had to pick one, then I would go for, there's a vlogger named Tibetan vlogger named Kakti. I don't know if it's, oh yeah, it's Kakti. He now stays in Boston, but then he was actually from Kalimantan. I used to watch his vlog when I was in India, and when he was also in India. His video is amazing. It's far different from another Tibetan YouTuber, like. So yeah, you should, I think, go and watch his vlog. Kakti, his vlog is amazing. The way he shoot videos and all this thing. Do you enjoy traveling, and what is your dream destination? Of course, I love traveling. My dream destination would be Switzerland. Yep. I want to go Switzerland. Yeah. Of course, Tibet as well, but then Tibet is my homeland. Of course, I really want to go there, but then we have to see the possibility, right? So if I have to choose like Switzerland and Tibet, then I know that I will not able to go to Tibet because of the Chinese restriction and all those things. But Switzerland, I might have a chance, because yeah. So who inspire you the most? Another question is, who inspire you the most? I would say my dad. He is the sole reason. Is one of the most important reason or the factor that I'm here today in the United States studying. I'm forever grateful to him. He has done so much to us, especially to me, yeah, I really wanted to go. I don't want to go depth into it. If I go like if I delve into that things, then it will be too long. Yeah. From this video, I just want to say thank you so much, my dad. Thank you to my dad. I love you so much. I'm forever grateful to you and to be your son. And yeah, thank you so much, dad. What advice would you give to your younger self? So this is quite not I would say tricky, not tricky, but yeah, I have this answer. I would advise myself, my younger self, to read more books. Yeah, more books. I regret having not been reading books, even after my dad's telling thousands of times to read books. I would say I would, at the time I was very confident back then when I was in like in secondary school, or elementary school. I would not listen to his advices. Yeah, I regret having not been read a book, and I'm still trying my best now to read books because I think I'm not late as of now. Yeah. Now I'll go to the question that people ask me. I written the question here. So, any advice for the upcoming teens who want to study abroad? Yeah, advice. No, actually, I'm not that not an influential figure to give advices, but as a older brother, as the one who has experiences all this process, I would say academic achievement or academic record is important, but on the other hand, having been actively participating in your school co-curricular activities is far more important, I think. Yeah, it's very important that you should participate in every co-curricular activities that the school organize. If possible, try to get into student council, lobda kenda later, because this is, I think, one of the main reason, one of the strong factors among the your application. And another thing I would say is, yeah, do good in your academic, participate in every event, every activities, and yeah, so when you're applying to your colleges after your grade 12, you should also put more effort in your essay. I think essay, out of all this, I would say essay is the most important thing, that would stand out, from the other applicants, because the one who applies, they usually are good in academics. Like almost everyone is good in academic, and they have participated as well. And so the one thing that would make differences is your essay. You have to spend a lot of time there. Proofreading is also important. Yeah, I would say like this story, it's been like, it's a long one. And the other question is, how about Tibetan student getting into Bira this year? So I'm studying in Bira College now. I'm a freshman here. So the question is, how about Tibetan? Okay, as of now, I'm not sure. As far as what I get to know from others, that for the this year they have a 2 decision date. So the first decision date has been announced. For that matter, I didn't see any Tibetan getting accepted. Hopefully next decision, I'm hoping that one Tibetan should at least get into college, or the admission text must admit one Tibetan student here. Sometimes I feel lonely here because we only have 3 Tibetan students here, and 2 of them are my they're like senior than me, so they're in a junior as of now. But then it's not like Indian college that we would meet every time. So yeah, I'm wishing a Tibetan student to get into college. The next question is, what is the worst thing about the school? Oh, he's talking about the college. What is the worst thing about the Bira College? What should I say? The worst thing, Everything. I like everything. The only thing we have to work here in college, for like 10 hours a week. That's the worst thing. Even though it's is beneficial for me as well, but then yeah, for me now, as of now, this is the worst part. Oh yeah, and the transportation as well. The transportation facilities. How's your life in United States? So my life in United States as of now, it's only been 1 month and few days. Till now, I'm going well. I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling what should I say? Content. Because I have manifested this time, and being able to achieve that state where I'm right now is truly grateful and overwhelming, because I know myself that how much I have worked hard, how much I've spent my time in this application process, even after I'm engaged with some other things. Yeah. Yeah, I'm doing great. I'm happy here. Hopefully it will be same throughout the years. The other question is process of getting into Bira. So for if you want to study abroad, especially in my school, it's called Bira College. It's a private liberal arts college. It's a small college. Almost like a 1,500 student. They take like 1,500 student every year. Yeah, the process is quite it's not that hard. You have to go to their website, click Bira College, and then you'll see like different options. Then you have to click international students, and then start your application. I think the applications start around August. Yeah, August. They will announce the declare the admission like in around August, and the due date is like December maybe. Yeah, and they will announce the decision date around mid-March, if whether you are accepted or not. You as an international student, you have to, the first requirement is that you must have an English proficiency test. You can either take Duolingo, TOEFL, IELTS, like SAT. I would recommend taking Duolingo because it's the cheapest and the easiest one. And then you have to write an essay of 2 to 5 pages. That's the defining like factors of your application. And then you need a recommendation letter. I need to fill up the financial form. Yeah, you'll get to know. It's easy quite if you if you do research. If you go through it, it's not that what should I say, a complicated one. It's very easy. But the only thing is that you need to write an essay, and that you must spend a maximum time in your essay so that your application would stand out from the other applicants. You know what I'm saying right now. So tang pege nang no kyutsong di da essay ya putu ya odi ya kalana samlo dang da so applicants tandang a college 신주리다 tandang ye kwala is like international student pu hora tongda chonga apply chida pu sumju sipju ma tam maraya. So tongda chonga ki apply chilana it's very like tough acceptance rate, like it's like a 5% acceptance rate. tandang ati da gameda ngagapso 5% acceptance rate. So kyoto applicant 상만에 color stand out chiala SAD color defining factor do dekhanana pu application kyangyo hangza khare lobjong yakbuda yawara lobjong yagomen ho gengi mara ra. So academic record ni yakoyora, the extracurricular activities this kyawa yugire, but then at the end it all matters to the essay and financial aid jigo financial credit haman nam bisha khazo khares di sagi me do form this kyangore. So they'll end this difference to area. But then yeah, essay di kechere modi do law some social ba 지난 아릴 돌업 망보려 apply chen 지난 돌업 상마 망제 된조 khare common apply shure old ni kuni chigore ina nga college di injim comment ni chigo mal kurang su website ni chigore. So yeah, what I was saying is that if you wanted to apply for study abroad in the United States, many of the colleges or universities here, we can apply through the Common App application, where you can write your essay, find your college, also research about your financial aid and all these things. But then Bira College, the college where I'm studying right now, is a different process. We have to apply through the college website. Yeah, the training video they got away other than like edit the Hyogoshime, so I don't know how it went. Just come on, you should direct shape. 진짜 드디어 라임인데요. 진짜 고수래 낭래 따보 그러게 돼요. It's not like Indian university. 니마 따보 낭래도 니 writing 진짜 막 보시 랭겨야 돼요. 아니 audition. 근데 the presentation you're the sadawala. Yeah, but then no video sense 오도요. 말해. 아니 대행 투자 직대 대행 서변 봐라. 아니 서변 님은 콘센트라요. 오디션이. Yeah, nga khalang into lana. Yeah, nga what engine on the show. I really wanted to say that I'm very grateful, I'm very thankful that you guys have shown a lot of support. I never expected that I would receive so much love and support from you guys. I just uploaded a video because I wanted to keep it as my memory, like how far I come, like what was I did then and what I'm as now. I just wanted to see all these things, and yeah, I'm really happy, grateful that you guys shown so much love, and hoping that you continue to do so. The sole purpose or the reason that I'm speaking English as now is because I want this video to be go beyond the Tibetan community, other nationalities, so that they would also apply to colleges abroad, especially to my college, Bira College. Yes, so this is today's video. I'm really happy that I'm able to make this video. Yes, now I can sleep properly, and yeah, I'll just show you my study table. I just made a small decoration, so yeah, I'll show you guys. And yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and turn on the post notification on so that you could receive a notification when I uploaded videos. Thank you.